Hello and welcome to IFRS Juice Preparation Program that will help you to navigate all entire exam syllabus and the knowledge that will be seen in your IFRS exam. Basically, actually, the main target for IFRS Juice Preparation Program is to simplify IFRS for all our students all over the world. This is Muhammad Fawzy and I will be your instructor during your journey to pass your IFRS Diploma exam and get a high score. Inshallah, we can do it together. About the Diploma in International Financial Reporting, the IFRS is assessed by a single 3-hour and 15-minute CBE exam. Each candidate will need to achieve a 50% mark or above to complete the paper. The exam is held twice a year in June and December at SCA exam centers and remotely exam also available for all over the world, all students all over the world.